Hello everyone, and I welcome you all in this session on top 5 data science certifications by Intellipaat. In this session, we'll be going through top 5 data science certifications as per the requirements of industry, and we'll be going to look into the skill set that meets the industry standards and the certifications according to it. So let's move on to the agenda part. We'll be starting with introduction to data science. Then we'll move on to the skills required to become a data scientist. After that, we'll move on to top 5 data science certifications. Then I'll be guiding you through the learning resources that you must follow to learn data science. Now, let's move on to the first part, that is introduction to data science. So, as you already know, data science is a field that uses scientific methods, processes, and various algorithms, and also the software systems to extract knowledge and insights from many types of data, such as structured or unstructured. So, it is mainly related to data mining and implementing various algorithms to analyze and visualize the data. So, in a world that is increasingly becoming a digital space where a huge volumes of data is collected every day, it becomes highly necessary for every organization to collect that data and analyze it, visualize it, and understand the insights of it, extract the patterns from it, so that they can get an idea about market trends, customers' interest, where their business is heading. So all these useful insights and this meaningful information can help them to boost their revenues. So using this data, they can build effective strategies and they can build automated models using algorithms, so that whenever they give a new data to the model, it gives the quick analytics on that. In 21st century, every company rely on data to optimize their business, to know the insights of their business. That's why the data science job profile has become one of the top profile in the industry. Also, they are the highest paid professionals in the IT industry. Also, according to Forbes, the best job in America is of a data scientist with an average annual salary of $110,000. By this, we can understand that data scientist plays a major role for the growth of the organization. So they are the people who collect the data, who collect the appropriate data for the organization that can benefit them with the business. They analyze the data, then they visualize it using various graphs and data science techniques, programming languages, and various methodologies. Then they try to understand the data and prepare reports and provide it to the organization. And finally, they build machine learning models, or we can say automated model, that helps in real time data analytics. So organizations can generate huge revenues by just implementing data science methodologies, machine learning models, and neural networks in their business. So now let's move on to the skills required to become a data scientist. So we'll be looking into the all the set of skills that are required, so that we can get an idea that what all certifications we need to do in order to become a data science professional. So let's go to this data analysis. First of all, a data science professional must be thorough with data analysis, and for this, they should have knowledge of data science with R, that is R programming. So R consists of various libraries and packages that helps in statistical analysis of the data, visualization of the data, manipulation, and to perform exploratory data analysis. It also consists of various packages that helps in implementing machine learning algorithms. So it is a highly recommended language by the professionals and statisticians for various tasks of data science. Then comes Python, that is widely used for various development processes such as web development, application development, and it is comprehensively used in the field of data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence, because it consists of various numerous packages and libraries such as scikit-learn, pandas, numpy, and various frameworks that helps in data visualization, manipulation, exploratory data analysis, and also to build machine learning algorithms and models that helps in automation. After that, a data scientist must have knowledge of mathematics, especially calculus, linear algebra, and statistics. Then comes data visualization skills. So R, Python, SAS, and Tableau are widely used for data visualization tasks. So it depends on organization that whether they are comfortable with R or Python. Most of the organization uses Python and R for data visualization. Some uses Tableau, and SAS is mainly used by companies who build high-end softwares. So it is a paid tool that consists of various special features for statistical analysis and visualization of the data. Then comes processing of big data. So a data scientist must be thorough with big data technologies such as Hadoop, Spark, Apache Kafka, and Scala. And finally, a data science professional must have knowledge of the fields of machine learning, artificial intelligence, and deep learning. So in this, they should be aware of various machine learning algorithms, which lies under the category of classification, regression, clustering, and boosting algorithms. So it completely depends upon the organization in which you are working or you are willing to work. So in which domain it is working. If it is a healthcare firm willing to hire a data scientist, so you must be aware of these clustering, classification, regression, and boosting algorithms so that you can classify the data of the patients. And next, if you are willing to work in a mobile phone company where you will be involved in developing mobile phone softwares, then you must be aware of NLP concepts and how to implement them, because nowadays mobile phones are coming with voice recognition technology and voice over search technologies. So you must be aware of that if you are willing to join a mobile phone company to develop the softwares of the mobile phones. And if you are willing to go in automobile industries, that is developing self-driving cars, then you must be thorough with neural networks and how to improve neural networks, as all the automobile industries who are developing self-driving cars rely on neural networks to ensure a safe drive. So it completely depends upon the organization in which you are working. So these are all the overall skills that a data scientist must possess in order to become a data science professional. After that, we'll see top 5 data science certifications that you must pursue according to the skill set that we saw in the previous section, that meets the industry requirements. So starting with the first certification, that is data science online training and certification, and this is basically for beginners who are willing to start with programming language. So first you should start with R programming, as we already saw in the previous section that R programming is recommended by the professionals and statisticians who are in the field of data science, who analyzes and visualizes the data in the daily basis. So this certification is very important for the beginners who want to build strong portfolio, and it also teaches advanced skills, that is it includes machine learning algorithms and various projects that helps to give a comprehensive hands-on experience to the learner. So this is an online certification training. So there are two types of training over here. So the first one is instructor led live classes, that is led by highly trained and skilled industry professionals who are working in this domain from 10 to 15 years. And the next one is self paced, that is prepared by our subject matter experts from the industry. So you can opt for any of these types of training, either in instructor led or self paced. And the validity of the certification is lifetime. So in this certification course, you will learn the foundational skills as well as advanced level of skills that will help you to make a career in the data science field. Now the next one is Python for data science. So as we already know, Python is in every field. So Python programming is used for development purpose. Either it can be for web development, desktop application development, and it is extensively used in the field of machine learning, data science, and artificial intelligence. So you can go for Python data science course and certification by Intellipaat in both ways, either instructor led live classes or self-paced training. So in instructor led live classes, you will be trained by the instructor who are the subject matter experts from the industry, and in self-paced you can watch the videos of data science professionals who prepared the course as per the industry standards. And the validity of the certification is again lifetime. So this course is specially designed for beginners who want to learn foundational skills as well as advanced skills along with Python libraries and implementing various machine learning algorithms, working on real-time projects. So learning Python will help you to nourish your implementation skills and work on various projects, real world projects, along with solving critical real world problems. Now we'll move on to the next very important certification, that is Big Data Hadoop training and certification. So as you already know, the organizations generate zettabytes of data every day. So how do they process and evaluate and analyze this data? So it is with the help of big data technologies. So it consists of Hadoop, Spark, Scala, which helps in processing huge volumes of data. So a beginner who is willing to make a career in data science should have knowledge of big data tools. So this course will provide a foundational skill as well as advanced level of skills in the field of big data. So it also gives comprehensive knowledge of data analytics. So after pre-processing the data, helps data scientists to perform some analytics on the data that is processed. So it majorly consists of Hadoop, Spark, Scala, and in this online training you can learn by industry experts by opting for instructor-led live classes or self-paced training where you will be guided by the subject matter experts who prepare the course according to the industry requirements. So by learning big data and acquiring a certification in big data, you will be enhancing your skills of data analytics, because most of the organizations who work on building high-end softwares uses big data technologies that helps in processing of big data, which in turn helps in developing perfect algorithms for the software. So this certification, the validity of this certification is also lifetime. So it will help you to make your career and it will help you to work in a reputed organization. Now the next very important certification is machine learning training and certification. So Intellipaat provides machine learning training and certification course, which is one of the top certification course. So any beginner can take up this course and it teaches all the fundamentals along with the advanced level concepts, machine learning algorithms, statistics, various Python libraries that helps in developing various automated models. Also, you will work on some really interesting projects that will help you to nourish your skills. So the reason that this machine learning training and certification course lies under the category of top 5 certification for data science is that the task of a data scientist is not limited to data manipulation or visualization. It is also to build effective strategies and build algorithm that helps in automation of the software. So it becomes highly necessary for a data science professional to have a knowledge of machine learning, especially machine learning algorithms and various methodologies that helps in creating perfect algorithms for a software. So you must go for machine learning training and certification immediately after learning big data so that you can have a comprehensive knowledge of how industry projects really work. So validity of this certification is also lifetime and it will help you to enhance your knowledge of working in data science projects and encourage you to solve real world problems using data science and machine learning. Now the next important certification is artificial intelligence training and certification. So artificial intelligence is one of the very important field where it deals with creation of various neural networks that helps in creating automated models. So it is the part of data science field, as many of the companies have started using neural networks for solving their real world or business problems. So in this course you can learn advanced skills as well as basic skills, deep learning algorithms, neural network, TensorFlow, and deep learning framework. So this training and certification will help you to fine tune your career in the field of data science. Also, this artificial intelligence certification will add a high value in your resume while you are going for a data science interview. So these are the top 5 certification that you must pursue in order to make a career in the field of data science. Now let us discuss some of the learning resources that you must follow if you are beginning in the field of data science. So Intellipaat, it consists of blogs, YouTube tutorials that are comprehensively designed by subject matter experts from the industry in order to deliver a quality content to the learners so that they can get the best results out of it. So Intellipaat also has a YouTube channel where the trainers of data science teaches various concepts, implements real-time projects that you can go through in order to learn data science comprehensively. So let me take you to the website first. So this is our website, intellipaat.com, and for blogs and tutorials you can go to the last part and you can see over here blogs. So I'll open this. There are interview questions, there are tutorials, and we have a community where you can post your questions and we will answer all your queries. So here you can see in this blog section there are various blogs, so you can refer to this for learning. You can go to any one of the technologies, such as you can click on this data science and you will get all the blogs, useful blogs related to data science. So you can get this Python tutorial, you can get this R tutorial, SAS tutorial, and you can learn from here. So these are comprehensively prepared by our subject matter experts. Now further, you can go to interview section, go through this page, and you can select any interview questions of your choice. So if you are going for data science, so here are top R interview questions, and here are data science interview questions, AI interview questions, ML interview questions. So you can prepare for the interviews by going through these questions. There are tutorials, you can go to tutorials. Here are tutorials of big data, cyber security, data science. So you are starting with data science, then you can go through this. Now further, we have data science community where you can post your questions. You can select the category over here, and if you want to post questions on data science, if you want to post questions on R programming, deep learning, so you can go over here and post your questions. Now we provide free courses on various technologies. So here you can see over here Java, C data structures, and for data science here is the Python certification course, Python for data science foundation course, Tableau, Salesforce foundation. So you can go through these courses and learn whatever you want. Now further, we have data science architect master's program. So this course consists of all the courses that we discussed, that is Python for data science, machine learning, R programming, AI and deep learning, big data, and it also includes Tableau that is used for data visualization. And let's go through this course content, and here is the course content starting with data science with R, then Python for data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence and deep learning with TensorFlow, big data, Hadoop and Spark, Tableau, and data science with statistical analysis software. Now let's check out the course content for this certification program. So it consists of, in this data science with R course, you will learn data exploration, manipulation, visualization, statistics, along with machine learning and various algorithms. Now the next part is you will also learn you work on various projects and use cases, Python, So in Python, we will learn basics of Python programming language, then OOPS concepts in Python, database connection, various libraries such as NumPy, SciPy, Matplotlib for data visualization, Pandas for data analysis, then exception handling, and many other concepts that helps in the field of data science. Then comes machine learning, and in machine learning you will learn various types of machine learning algorithms, that is supervised learning and linear regression, then classification and logistic regression, decision tree and random forest, and so on. And at the end of the course, you will be working on various case studies and projects in every course. Then comes artificial intelligence. So in this, you will be majorly working on neural networks and deep learning libraries such as TensorFlow and Keras. After that, big data and Spark. So you will be starting with Hadoop and then MapReduce, Hive, and various other concepts. And this is Spark framework. And at the end of this course, again, you will be working on a project that helps to gather all the concepts and nourish your implementation skills. After this big data course, there is Tableau Desktop 10, which includes the concepts and various methodologies for visualizing and analyzing the data, and it is highly used in the field of data science. So you'll be starting with architecture of Tableau, then working with metadata and data blending, working with mapping, calculation expression, parameters, charts and graphs, dashboards, and so on. Then comes this statistical analysis software. So first the trainer will be guiding you through the enterprise guide, and then using variables, the basics of this platform. Then you will be having some additional courses such as advanced Excel, MongoDB, and MS SQL. So the main feature of this certification course is it provides lifetime free upgrade, 24/7 technical support, flexible scheduling, and the trainer of this course is highly trained professionals from the industry. It consists of 253 hours of project work and exercises that will comprehensively teach you how to work on real-time projects, and it will help you to build your implementation skills. So this data science master's course certification will definitely help you to get a job in a very good organization and in top multinational companies. So this is all about this session.